Welcome back. Well, it was a little bit milder out there today. Got up to 72 this afternoon. That was about 7 degrees above where we should be for the time of year. We'll push similar readings for tomorrow. Another quiet, mild day, but certainly some changes into the weekend. We will be much cooler out there, and even the chance at some rainfall, especially come Saturday. And then heading into next week, pretty much typical conditions for what we would expect for December. So let's get a check of that upper level pattern, and we're watching our next weather maker on the move this evening, and it's going to continue to progress eastward here over the next couple of days and actually help to draw in a frontal boundary and drag a frontal boundary into the area come Saturday to help give us the chance at a few showers, although we're not looking at any sort of heavy thunderstorms or severe weather or anything like that. They had the clouds earlier today, although for the afternoon those clouds did thin and kind of pushed off into the Gulf of Mexico, although late this evening some of those clouds kind of sneaking into back into portions of the area. So we'll say partly cloudy at times tonight, at other times fair skies. Any sort of precipitation remaining back to the west. That includes winter precipitation across the really as far south as the panhandle of Texas, panhandle of Oklahoma, and then into Kansas. But again, we got one more quiet, pretty mild day on tap for tomorrow. Still cool to chilly tonight, upper 40s to lower 50s. That's where we'll start our Friday. A partly cloudy sky into the afternoon, mild conditions. As mentioned, lower 70s for most of us. East to southeasterly wind will come in at around 8 to 14 miles per hour. And then here we go. Some scattered showers will start to push in as early as Saturday morning, mostly light to moderate in nature. And it's not going to be an all-day rain event. Just plan on some periods of showers as we head into especially the first half of our Saturday. Again, not looking at any sort of severe weather. And then activity is going to be pushing eastward throughout the day. So we're optimistic by the afternoon, especially for the mid and latter parts of the afternoon. The bulk of the precipitation is going to start to kick out of here. So that's why I'm saying it's not going to be an all-day rain event. Saturday night looks pretty good. Temperatures much cooler behind this boundary, lower 60s for those high temperatures on Saturday. And then skies will start to clear into our Sunday, west to east. Chilly start though, first thing Sunday morning, low to mid 40s. And then we'll say mostly sunny to partly cloudy into our Sunday afternoon as high temperatures only top out in the lower 60s. As far as rain coverage over the next several days, again, mild and quiet tomorrow. There's our rain coverage as we head into Saturday with a scattering of showers. Thereafter, much nicer, quieter and seasonable weather taking shape for the end of the weekend and much of next week. Again, pretty much what we would expect for December. High temperatures in the 60s, overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. As far as rainfall amounts, with that disturbance moving in on Saturday, much of the area could pick up, at least from this particular model, showing about a ½ an inch, maybe upwards to an inch in spots. But we compare that to the high resolution rapid refresh model and even the European model showing a little bit higher amounts, advertising a ½ an inch, maybe upwards to an inch and a half in spots. So we'll see how that plays out, but still, I wouldn't plan on a ton of rainfall simply because activity is going to be pretty light and moderate in nature and moving along pretty quickly, and again, more scattered out there as well. Temperature forecast tonight, low temperatures that is, mid to upper 40s for northern Acadiana, upper 40s to lower 50s there along the I-10 corridor, and most of the coastal parishes will be in the lower 50s first thing tomorrow morning. After that cool to chilly start, we are mild again tomorrow afternoon, lower 70s under partly cloudy skies. Not nearly as chilly tomorrow night, upper 50s to lower 60s, and then notice temperatures hovering only in the lower 60s throughout the day on Saturday with the cloud cover and at times light to moderate showers, especially for the first half of the day. 51 the projected low tonight. It's going to be a quiet night ahead. 70 to 71 for tomorrow afternoon under partly cloudy skies. East to southeasterly winds will come in 8 to 14 miles per hour. There's your high rain chance for Saturday, but again, it's not going to be an all-day rain event. We will dry out by Saturday night, turning nicer for Sunday. We're cool this weekend, lower 60s. Much of next week looks pretty nice. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with highs in the 60s, overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. Well, that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more coming up after the break.